Hello, my name is Matt Coffman. I'm the owner of AxellRacing Performance Engineering. Today we're showing a latest build of ours. This is a 2008 Cayenne S 4.8 liter V8 9.5 series non-turbo engine. This information also applies to GTSs, turbos, and Turbo S's. This engine arrived with 145,000 miles on it. It had smoke coming out the exhaust and it had pretty bad piston knock. And we decided to do a full engine build. As part of a full engine rebuild, I tear the engine all the way down to the main crank, repolish the crank. This engine also got new main bearings, connecting rod bearings, new pistons, new piston rings. I honed the cylinders to within spec, machined the heads that got new valves, valve springs, valve guides, and valve seals. We also include a new water pump and a new starter, all new timing chain, guides, and tensioners. This is absolutely a top quality rebuild. My goal as an engine builder is to rebuild these and actually improve the engineering. It's to have an engine that will perform for another 200 to 250,000 miles. That's actually better than new. Does it make sense? It does. To achieve a combined 400 to 500,000 miles, it's relatively inexpensive. There's not a new car on the market or a good used car that can achieve these goals. I highly recommend that we keep these engines and cars on the road. How's your Cayenne running? If you're having problems, give me a call.